Life in Kendall, Florida, offers a perfect blend of suburban comfort and tropical beauty. With lush greenery, bright sunshine, and year-round warmth, it's no surprise that many homeowners want to bring that natural light and scenic charm indoors. One of the most effective ways to do that is by installing picture windows, large, fixed windows designed to frame the outdoors like a piece of art. Whether you're updating an older home or designing a new space, picture windows can completely transform your interiors by enhancing both natural light and panoramic views. Here's how they can brighten your home and elevate your everyday living experience in Kendall. Flooding your home with natural light. One of the most significant benefits of picture windows is their ability to maximize sunlight. Because these windows are large, stationary panels of glass without sashes or grids to block the view, they allow an abundance of light to pour in. In Kendall's sunny climate, this can make a huge difference in how your home feels. Natural light helps create a warm, inviting atmosphere while reducing the need for artificial lighting during the day. Rooms feel larger, airier, and more open, turning ordinary spaces into bright, cheerful retreats. Even better, modern picture windows are designed with low emissivity glass coatings that let in natural light while blocking excess heat. That means you can enjoy the Florida sunshine without worrying about glare or rising indoor temperatures. Framing the scenic beauty of Kendall. Kendall is known for its palm-lined streets, tropical landscaping, and outdoor lifestyle. With picture windows, you can make your home's surroundings part of your interior decor. Placed strategically, in living rooms, dining areas, or bedrooms, picture windows act like living artwork, framing your garden, pool, or skyline view. You'll enjoy the soothing connection to nature whether you're working from home, entertaining guests, or simply relaxing after a long day. For homes with backyard patios, tropical gardens, or waterfront views, picture windows offer a stunning focal point that blurs the line between indoor and outdoor living. Energy efficiency for year-round comfort. While Florida's sunshine is one of its best features, it can also bring challenges, particularly when it comes to keeping your home cool. Fortunately, modern picture windows are built to handle the heat. Today's energy-efficient designs include double or triple pane glass for better insulation, argon or krypton gas fills to reduce heat transfer, thermal-resistant frames that prevent air leakage. These innovations allow you to enjoy expansive glass areas without sacrificing comfort. The result? A home that stays bright and comfortable while keeping cooling costs under control, a must for any Kendall homeowner. Expanding space and style. Picture windows do more than bring in light, they transform the way a room feels. By opening up your walls to natural light and views, these windows make interiors appear larger, more spacious, and more modern. Whether you live in a traditional ranch-style home or a sleek contemporary design, picture windows add architectural elegance that enhances curb appeal. When paired with other window styles, like casement, awning, or slider windows, they create both aesthetic balance and functionality, allowing for light, air, and flexibility in your home's design. Low maintenance, long-lasting value. Unlike operable windows that open and close, picture windows have no moving parts, which means fewer repairs and less maintenance over time. Their simplicity contributes to long-term durability and better energy performance. With materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum-clad frames, picture windows can withstand Kendall's humid, coastal climate without warping, rotting, or peeling. You'll enjoy a beautiful view for decades with minimal upkeep. A bright investment for Kendall homes. Upgrading to picture windows is not just about beauty, it's a smart investment. Homes that feature abundant natural light and open views tend to feel more luxurious and welcoming, which can significantly boost resale value. When installed by experienced local professionals, your picture windows will be perfectly fitted and sealed to ensure maximum efficiency and durability, all while capturing the stunning South Florida scenery outside your home. Final thoughts. In Kendall's sun-soaked environment, picture windows are more than just a design choice, they're a lifestyle upgrade. They fill your home with natural light, connect you to the beauty of the outdoors, and add timeless style and efficiency to your living space. Whether you're looking to brighten your interior, enjoy panoramic views, or boost your home's value, picture windows are the perfect way to make your Kendall home shine, inside and out.